It is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can share our presentation right here in Zoom. Yes, very important because a lot of time person have problem sharing in Zoom. I'm going to show you two type of way you can actually share in Zoom. Right, the first thing you want to click right here, but ensure that the presentation is open. So this is the presentation here that I want to share. Alright, very important. Let me minimize that again. You're going to click right here on the share option. Right, then you can click right here on the entire screen and you press share, or you can click directly on the presentation and click right here. Right, so if I click on this, I'll come like that. Now this will give me the screen like this. Right, so I have a chance now to bring up my presentation. But when I do this now, whosoever you're presenting to will see over here. In order for them not to see this, right, you can come right up here and click, or you can click on insert right here. You click on insert. Right, you notice right here it says show. Tab right here, you can see from the beginning here, so, or you can come all the way down at the bottom right here, and then you click. Now when you click on this particular thing now, this is how your screen will actually come up. I can press the down arrow to go to the next one and all of that. But then again, if you are not familiar with your slide, you might not show what coming next, right? For you to see what coming next, now this is the next approach. First, you're going to stop share, right? So when I stop share, you're going to go back in and click on share. Now if you notice up at the top here, this is basics, so you want to click on the advanced. Yes, it's very good for your presentation. You notice right here, say portion of your screen. Yes, so this is what you want to use as a presenter. When you click on that, then click right here and share. You notice it's kind of blue strip, like a green strip come around. You can put the cursor on it along the left side of the mouse and drag it to your right like this. You can size it up over it completely. When you size it up over it completely like that, you can come like this and come down. Alright, the audience can, our congregation or whoever presented can only see inside here. They can see nowhere out here. So definitely you can see exactly what coming next out here. So and if you want to switch the slide up here, so you can switch the slide. If you come up here, so and you make even change up here, so nobody will see. They only actually see everything here. So but if you come like this and you shift it and put over here, so they will see exactly over here. But if you hold it and carry it back over like this, they can only see exactly what inside here. So the presenter uses advanced sharing screen here. It's very important. So meanwhile, actually this now only thing they will see this broad screen here. They won't see anything on it. So you know exactly what next to come or whatever. Alright, so for instance, this slide was supposed to be the one to come instead of this one. You can simply click on that one, just the same like that, and bring it over. Right? Definitely you can actually bring this one come down and just switch the slide just like that. Right? So all of them look activity there. At the same time, you can actually do something at the same time while the presentation is right there, just the same. So this is one of the way you can actually use the advanced sharing skill right here in Zoom to enhance your presentation, and you can actually see exactly what's going on there. So if you have learned something from this particular video, just consider share it to your friend. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.